Passive fire protection is an important investment in the safety of people, assets, and the environment. On many types of ships, such as yachts, cruise liners, navy vessels, as well as offshore applications, more stringent regulations are driving the cost of fire protection measures to ever higher levels. Käfer therefore not only provides services to achieve the current standards, but we also develop innovative products and offer complete solutions for greater reliability and lower costs. Käfer's major products are the A65 sliding doors. They're available as single and as double sliding doors. The smart flap control system makes the door panel disappear invisibly into the wall, opening worlds for designers to play with. The doors are made of Käfer's unique solid sandwich panel. This panel reduces the weight by up to 40% compared to conventional insulation material and enables amazing opening sizes of up to 5 by 5 meters. And there's a wide range of colors to choose from. Käfer's unique slimline A65 roller shutter product range is available in a technical fabric and a metal version. This system leaves plenty of flexibility, particularly when extreme applications are required. An innovative combination of materials allows for one-layer construction in an A60 environment. These features have nearly half the installation volume of conventional solutions, and yet still allow applications of up to 18 times 12 meters. The A0 slimline version minimizes valuable installation space. With its space-saving tubular engine drive, it enables a rib height reduction by almost 50% compared to conventional systems. This allows the shutter to be rolled up tighter, and the winding diameter is significantly reduced. If the space for installation has to meet particularly hygienic requirements, such as in USPH areas, Käfer's innovative A65 protection stacking barrier is the ideal choice. The panels with their large surfaces are easy to clean and are also available in stainless steel. They're stacked next to each other instead of on top of each other, making the best possible use of the installation space. The stacking barrier meets the A65 standard even with its single panel system of only 50 mm thickness. All shutters and doors feature safety contact strips which stop closure on contact with people and objects. Using a sophisticated combination of vacuum panels, mineral wool and stainless steel cladding, Käfer has developed cold room and freezer doors which meet all the necessary insulation and the fire protection specifications, while achieving a 40% weight saving compared with conventional doors. Käfer's A60 slimline firewall panel meets IMO and SOLAS fire safety standards for A-class bulkheads. The solid but extremely light sandwich panel consists of rock wool and mineral composite top layers. The finished surface can be used for painting or any other kind of creative finishing, such as laminates. It doesn't only make designer hearts shine. The significant weight reduction of the whole system reduces overall energy consumption of the ship and thus the environmental impact. No matter what fire safety application you choose, Käfer as a one-stop provider takes care of all your requirements while cutting costs and protecting the environment. Käfer. When it counts, count on us.